Saturday. Happy Saturday, family. How is everyone doing? I hope that everyone is doing well. I have started off my Saturday with cleaning. So I'm purging, getting rid of all the stuff that I don't need, and cleaning up the things that I am going to keep, and which is the same thing that I will be doing in my life for 2020. But we'll talk about that a little bit later. So I just finished cleaning this wonderful mess here. I mean, this brush holder, I have to definitely purge. First of all, I have to clean my brushes, and I have to get rid of some of those that I don't need, because I have to make room for some new ones that I want to purchase that I saw. Yeah, crazy lady. But let me just show you my drawer. If I should have showed it to you guys. I mean, I started doing this early, and it's like maybe 2 hours later. I should have showed you how it looked before, but anyway, this is what it looks like now. So this is my makeup drawer. I mean, these brushes are just ridiculous. I have to get rid of some of those, and these are the ones that I usually use on a daily basis. But these are some of the things that, and then I have more crap in here in the drawers, but that's going to be another day. I can't deal with that right now, but I will wash my brushes tonight. So I just kind of organize everything. What I have to do here is just get some of those organizers, because what I do is that I lay towel or Bounty so that it won't damage, you know, my drawer. But, you know, I just put the primers here, foundations here, concealers here, and then powders, and then eyeshadows and lashes and highlighters are all in here. And then it looks a lot better because I got rid of all of this. And this stuff will be for my empties videos that, you know, I have to upload for you guys. So yeah, that is my makeup drawer, guys. And speaking of empties video, I do have to upload a video for you guys. I know I haven't done it in a while. I have so many empties that, you know, that I've been holding onto, and I have to get rid of because I just haven't gotten around to making one of those videos for you guys. So I have to do that, and I will probably do it by the end of the month, just in case there's anything else that I need to share. So I am going to vacuum now quickly, and then I'm going to come back with a little chit chat with you guys. All right, so I see you a little bit. So the master bedroom is finally clean. Finally clean. The only thing that I have left to do is, and I needed a break in between because I needed to eat. Because I'm the type of person that if I'm involved doing something, I know that I'm hungry, but I won't eat, or I'll forget to eat until I get the shakes. And that's not good. And I tend to do that a lot. And I have to drink more water. So this is the only thing that's left for me to clean up. This little area that's here on my, and I need to put some of my jewelry away. Yeah, this right there is a hot mess, but that right there. But whatever, those are the things that I normally wear, like on a daily basis. And I switch out like from gold to silver and stuff. That's why you see that there. But I don't want them tangled, so I have to put this stuff away here. And I'll just put that in the bathroom. That was my little Christmas jive here. So yeah, people, let me tell you, it is, I think, about 65 degrees outside today. That's how warm it is outside today. It is absolutely beautiful. I mean, the sun is not really shining. It's a bit cloudy, but it is so nice outside. I've opened the windows up and the screen door, and I actually have my ceiling fan going on in the bedroom because, you know, I've opened the windows and stuff because I was vacuuming and cleaning. It feels so good to have a clean space, doesn't it? It's what I inspire every day, especially for 2020. So let's get on with that little chit chat. All right, so get yourself something to drink, a little beverage. I'm going to try to not make this too long, but I'm just going to give some opinions being that some people believe that I am very opinionated, which I can be. I agree. All right, let me go get my coffee and I'll be right back.